Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make peri peri chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my videos. The ingredients for this peri peri chicken will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's my ingredients that I'm using to prepare my peri peri chicken. I'm using 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt. You're gonna use a tablespoon of white vinegar, half teaspoon of lemon zest, half teaspoon black pepper. I'm using some fresh thyme. I'm using 3 red chili pepper. I got some chopped bell peppers there. I got about 5 cloves of garlic. I got some extra virgin olive oil. I'm using some lemon juice. And here I got 6 pieces of leg and thigh that I'm using. Now guys, you're gonna need a blender to make that peri peri sauce to marinate your chicken with it. Yes guys, I'm gonna start out by adding my bell peppers in, my fresh thyme, my garlic, also my smoked paprika. Yes guys. Paprika in, also your black pepper, your salt, also your lemon zest, also you're going to put your lemon juice in, your extra virgin olive oil, so just like that. And last but not least, my red chili peppers. I'm just gonna slice them up. I'm just gonna slice off the back of these. Yes, guys. Just want to cut them up, guys. So easy for your blender to blend them. Yes, guys. Now you're just gonna add them in to your blender. Also your tablespoon of vinegar, now I'm just going to blend this for about 2 minutes. Yes, guys, that's what you need to do to make that lovely peri peri sauce to marinate your chicken. Get right back to you guys when this is finished blending. Now there you have it guys, that's how you want to make that sauce and marinate your chicken with it. Yes guys, you can see it. Smelling so lovely guys, look at that. So you want your sauce to look, have this color, orange color guys. Yes guys, just like that. I'm just going to put this one side now. I'm just going to take my chicken and make some slicing to them guys, so that my seasoning will get right down into the meat. Yes guys, you just want to slice it like that. So you want to do guys, just make 3 slices on your chicken thighs, just like that, so your seasoning will get down inside of your meat. Yes guys, I'll get right back to you when I'm finished slicing my chicken. Yes guys. There you have it guys, the last chicken that I'm slicing up. Yes guys, that's how you want your chicken to slice, that your seasoning will get down into it. Now we're gonna get the gloves to season up this chicken guys. Get that red chili pepper in there guys, I'm telling you that will burn fingers when you're seasoning it up. Yes guys, just put it there. So you want to get your seasoning now. just want to pour it in there on it. Just like that, guys. I just want to rub that in now, guys. Let's give it a proper rub. Rub up your chicken into that peri peri sauce that you just made. Guys, make sure your chicken marinate properly into this sauce, guys, before you put it to your grill. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished rubbing all my seasoning onto these chicken thighs. There you have it, guys. I'm finished rubbing on my peri peri sauce on this chicken. Now I'm gonna leave it here for about 45 minutes to marinate before I put it on my grill. I'm just gonna cover it up now. Wash out my hands. Guys, I'm just gonna cover it now with my cling film. Just leave it here before I start to put it onto my grill. Yes, guys, I'll get right back to you when this is finished marinating. Yes, guys. My chicken is finished marinating, but before I remove my cling film from it, I'm just going to preheat my grill pan. Yes, guys, you want to get one like this. I'm using my stove. I'm just going to preheat it on medium heat for about a minute, and I'll get right back to you guys when my pan is finished preheated. Now, guys, after that minute, I'm just going to grease my pan with some light sunflower oil. Yes, guys, just like that. I'm just going to take a brush, just spread that around. Yes, guys, I just want to grease the pan a bit so your chicken do not stick to it when you put them in there. Just like that, guys. I'm just going to remove my cling film from this thing now and start to add my chicken in. You want to do it, guys. Guys, you're going to leave them in there for about 15 to 20 minutes on each side. Yes, guys, and I'll get right back to you when I'm turning them over to make you see what it's looking like. Guys, after that 15 minutes, I'm just going to turn them. That's just how you want to do it. Turn them over. When you turn them over, guys, you want to take some more of your sauce that you made. Just give them a coat. Just like that, guys. Just coat them on the side that you already put them on. You just want to do that for the next 15 minutes again, guys. I'll get right back to you when these are finished. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to turn my chicken again on this side again for another 15 minutes. That's how you want to do it. I'm just going to coat it now with my sauce again. Make sure that sauce soaking into it, guys, into the meat. Guys, it's smelling so lovely. This peri peri sauce, wow. It's smelling so amazing, guys. Now, guys, I'm just gonna leave it there for another next 15 minutes before I turn it again. So in all, guys, you'll be 30 minutes on each side. Yes, guys, I'll get right back to you. Now, there you have it, guys. That's how you want to prepare your lovely peri peri chicken at home on your grill. Yes, guys, now I'm just going to take these off. They're finished. Yes, guys, I'm going to turn off my stove now. I'm just going to share this out now, guys, with some roast corn and some chips and show you guys. Now there you have it. I've served out my peri peri chicken with some chips and some roast corn. Yes, guys, that's how you want to prepare your peri peri chicken at home with all those ingredients that I showed you
show you. Yes guys, if you cannot make it to Nando's and you got the ingredients at home, just give it a try. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Tell me what you think about this peri peri chicken when you give it a try at home with your other family. Until next time, thanks for watching.